3, 2.
Mag-ice cream kami. Merong ice cream dito sa ano, sa highway. Ayan. Ano siya? On wheels. On wheels. Bayaran mo na, palitan ko. Ay, bayaran ko sa akin. Ano yung flavor niya? Sogok, bulong na.
Try ka naman na dito, Nat? Dito, buwang ka.
Mga flavor nila. Hussein Usta. Tingnan natin kung anong ano. Ito yung pang ano niya. Oh. Ting 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 ting. Ayan oh. Oh, ice cream. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Hello. Okay.
Bili kami ng ice cream. Cozy Star. Ito kami sa Cozy Star Shipyard. Ayan.
Mix ice cream. Mix. Coke Zero Turkish Lira mix ice cream. Mix ice cream.
Yeah,
okay?
mix. Very nice. Mix ice cream.
Philippines.
Yeah,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Philippines and brothers.
Yeah, brother.
1 minute. 1 minute.
You have present?
Chicken brother.
Oh.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Your brother?
Yeah. Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Filipino, ha? You have brother? There.
Brothers.
Oh.
1 minute.
He said, what is your name?
Hussein.
Hussein. Ah, Hussein. Hello. Hussein have brother, is he? Have brother on Philippines. Oh.
Kalior.
He showed that he
So,
have a brother up in
minute.
Philippines.
Busy.
Very busy, ah.
Maybe already sleep.
He showed that he have a brother in Philippines. He showed some pictures of Rizal Park.
Lasunsi na kasi.
Mix.
Mix, yeah.
Mix. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice, ah.
Philippines peso.
Yeah, peso.
Peso. Collection.
Ito.
Ito logo. Lumabas para hindi mautusan. We go out because too much job. Oh, I know. The famous on the Tuzla Marina. The guy who pulled my ice cream. Ang sarap nga, no? Very nice ice cream, ha? The taste is very creamy. It's not ordinary ice cream, ha? Thank you, my friend. Bye-bye.
Sana siguro gumagawa nito, no?
Ang sarap ng ice cream nila, men. Ayan siya. May ko ma-explain, parang malambot yung cream niya, malambot. Hmm?
Gelato.
Para siyang ano? Para siyang rubbery yung ano? Parang malakit na parang goma na natutunaw, parang ganon. Sarap. Lumabas kami kasi pag di kami lumabas, mabubugbog kami sa trabaho, men. Saka humirit pa ng trabaho kaya lumayas na kami. Kita-kits na lang sa susunod kong video, mga tropa. Paalam.